I'm going to start with the optional exercise. Here the first three questions are directly based on the relation between the coefficients of the cubic polynomial and its zeros. So directly it's all a direct question. So that was based on the previous topic. Today's topic was division algorithm, right? So I have taken the fourth and fifth question out of that are related to this question, this topic. Okay. So you are given 2 plus or minus root 3 are the zeros of the given polynomial. Let me name this polynomial to be p of x. Okay. So if these two are the zeros, that is a is a 0 of some polynomial p of x, then x minus a is a factor of p of x. So I can tell that x minus of 2 plus root 3 and x minus of 2 minus root 3 are factors of p of x, are the factors of p of x. Or in other words, since these two are two different numbers, I can tell that their product is also the factor of p of x. If I find the product, I can tell that it is x minus 2 minus root 3 into x minus 2, minus of minus is plus, so plus root 3. Let me calculate that first. Okay. So if I calculate this, what are the terms I can get here? X into x, that is x square, minus 2x plus root 3x. Then moving on to this minus 2, again one minus 2x plus 4 minus 2 root 3. Then you have minus root 3 into x, minus root 3 into x plus 2 root 3, and you have minus root 3 into plus root 3, that is minus 3. This many terms are over, so 9 terms should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now simplification, you have plus root 3x minus root 3x cancelled, minus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 cancelled. So what you are going to get here is x square minus 2x comes to be minus 4x. Then you have plus 1 because it is 4 minus 3. Because the so much is important, I can just rub off the remaining things. It is x square minus 4x plus 1. Square minus 4x plus 1, what I got is a factor of p of x. So the next term is to just division, long division method. This is x raised to 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35. Are all the terms there? 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, next is the divisor, that is x square minus 4x plus 1. So the first term will be x raised to 4 divided by x square. I'll do it more fast so that you know already, I think. So the method of division. Now this becomes x raised to 4 minus 4x into x square is minus 4x cube. Then you have plus 1 x square. Changing the sign, this becomes minus 6 plus 4, that is minus 2x cube. Then you have minus 26 minus 1, that is minus 27x square. Then you have 138x that you are getting from the up to the down. So the next term will be minus 2x. So this is minus 2x cube minus 4x into minus, this becomes 8x square, and you have 1 into minus 2x. Okay, now changing the sign, this is cancelled, so you have 27 plus 8, that is 35, so it is minus 35 x square. 138 plus 2 is 140x, then you have a minus 35. So now again minus 35 x square divided by x square is minus 35. So because it is a factor, I can go on writing minus 35 x square plus 140x minus 35. It should be. Let me check whether it's correct. So 4 into 35 comes to be 140. So cancel it. So I can write that p of x is equal to x square minus 2x minus 35 into x square minus 4x plus 1. So you have two factors here that you got. Because the remainder is 0, r of x is 0. So the next part is you just find zeros based on this factor, that is x square minus 2x minus 35. X square minus 2x minus 35 equal to 0. So I need to find the factor, splitting of the middle term. Sum is minus 2, product is minus 35. So if it is 35, it should be 7 and 5, because the difference is 2 and the product is negative. One of them is negative, one is positive. So the one that is negative is more because you have a minus sign in the sum. So it is to be minus 7 and plus 5. So this you need to divide it to be minus 7x plus 5x minus 35 is equal to 0. Let me wrap up this rough calculation. So you have x square. Now x is common, this comes to be x minus 7. 5 is common, x minus 7, that is equal to 0. X minus 7 is common, you have x plus 5 remaining, that is equal to 0. Therefore both of them should be equal to 0. X plus 5 is equal to 0. Now you have x is equal to 7 and x is equal to minus 5. These two are the other zeros. Other zeros of p of x. So you got the other two zeros of the p of x. So we just conclude that 7 and minus 5 are the two other zeros that is belonging to this p of x other than the two other zeros, that is 2 plus or minus root 3. Next we will move on to the fifth question. You have the fifth question here. Fifth question is given. Say this is p of x. You have x raised to 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10. You have that as a number. So if you divide by another polynomial, that is x square minus 2x plus k, this is k, the remainder comes to be x plus c. That is the question. So you are asked to find the value of a and k in such a case. So how do we need to find? So this is generally based on this division algorithm. So I need to write that in that form. It comes to x raised to 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10, that is equal to x square minus 2x plus k into some g of x, or I can write it as q of x, plus the remainder, that is x minus x plus a. Okay, so I'll do one thing. I'll bring this to the left hand side and divide this. So I should get okay, we'll see what will happen. So we are going to bring x minus a to the left hand side. If I bring 1x this side, this becomes minus 26x. Okay, you have one a here, so that will join with the constant, that becomes 10 minus a. 10 minus a. So that step is over. So you can find out that now the remainder is 0. That means this polynomial is divisible by this polynomial, or if I divide this polynomial by this polynomial, I should get the remainder to be 0. So but if you have k, x and all, you'll get some terms. So at last you will get some number of terms, out of which you should equate it to 0. Let's see how we are going to do that. So now you are going to divide using the long division method. This comes to be x raised to 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 26x plus 10 minus a is together. Okay, I should divide it by x square minus 2x plus k. Now it comes to be x square. As usual, x raised to 4 divided by x square. So this comes to be x raised to 4 minus 2x cube, then k into x square. K into x square you are going to get. Now you are going to change the sign here and you are going to add it. This is cancelled. You have 6 plus minus 6 plus 2, that is minus 4x cube, and you have 16 minus k into x square minus 26x. Now the next number comes to be minus 4x, because it is minus 4x cube divided by x square. Okay, now so you're getting this. So the next term will be minus 2x into minus 4x, that is plus 8x. Then you have k into minus 4, so minus 4k into x. Changing the sign, this comes to be minus, this comes to be plus. This is our cancelled. Now you have 16 minus k minus 8, or 16 minus 8 comes to be 8. So this is 8 minus k into x square. Then you have minus, okay, I'll take a negative sign here. Then you have 26 minus 4k into x. Then bring that down, that is 10 minus a. So how do you get the next term here? You have 8 minus k here. Okay, you have 8 minus k. So for that you need to divide by 8 minus k. So this is 8 minus k into x square minus 2 into 8 minus k. Let me take that inside instead of just taking it outside. That is 2 times 8 minus k. That is 16 minus 2k. Plus you have k into 8 minus k. 8 minus k into k. Oh, okay, this is cancelled. You are going to change the sign here. Okay, since this is positive, I need to subtract this one from that. So 16 minus 26 is minus 10. You have minus 2k, minus of minus 4k, or plus 4k minus 2k. That comes to be plus 2k of x. And you have the term at last, that is 10 minus a. This is a negative sign, right? So minus of k into 8 minus k. So here we concluded that this polynomial, that is this polynomial, is divisible by this polynomial. But here we didn't get a 0 here. Since it has unknown terms, I can tell that this has to be 0 somehow. That means that the coefficient of x and the constant term has to be 0. Okay, I'll take the coefficient of x, that is minus 10 plus 2k should be equal to 0, or I'll take it that side. So 2k is equal to 10, k is equal to 5. We got the answer to be k is equal to 5. So similarly, we are going on using the same thing with the second part also. Okay. For using the second part, I need to equate the constant term to be 0. So directly I'll substitute that. I'll do it here. That is 10 minus a minus of k into 8 minus k equal to 0, or 10 minus a is equal to, I'll substitute for k, this minus sign, when it go to the right hand side it becomes plus sign. So this becomes 5 into 8 minus 5 is 3, that is 15. So 10 minus a is equal to 15. So a is equal to minus 5. We got k is equal to 5 and a is equal to minus 5. That is the answer for the given question. Thank you.